It's your boy, man. Warming up that Z28 thing. You know how I do it. It's cold. Look, it ain't even at 100. Temperature at 40. Oil pressure at 40. Temperature going up. It's 100 degrees out here, though. You know. About to pull him out the yard one time. My bad, I hit the gas too hard, made the can fall down, you feel me? But he's still up there though. Alright, there ain't no cars out here, so I'm about to come through this motherfucker sideways as soon as I bag up. This motherfucker be running sideways, cuz I swear. Watch this. Stop sign, all gas, watch.